All right, there's Ranger. He's hanging out with me today. I think he's done. He wants to go home and take a nap. If you want to look at weather and get the weather forecast, the way to do it is on the Messenger app. I'm going to select it. I'm already on the weather right here. Now it says update forecast. Now hang with me a little bit because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Mini 2 itself, but there's two ways to do it. I'm going to update forecast, and it says right now forecast basic. And when you have the Expedition plan, I think this is unlimited, I believe. I'm going to show the cost on the weather when you get forecast based on what subscription you have. But I want to pick something different. I want to pick extended. So now it shows up forecast type extended. Get forecast. All right, now it says sending requests, and we're going to wait for a few minutes. It says waiting for response. It was very quick. Well, there it goes. The reason I've got this so fast is because I'm in cell service right here. If I were outside of cell service, it would take maybe 2 to 5 minutes. Now you can see here that it goes every 2 hours and it goes out about 3 days on the extended. Now this is a difference. On the basic, it only goes out maybe a day and a half on this 2 hour. On the extended, it goes out about 3.5 days. Then down here you can see today, tomorrow, and it goes out about 7 days. Yeah, it goes out to Saturday. And if I were to click on Saturday, it doesn't give me any additional information. But if I were to click on tomorrow, it gives me more information, and I can look every 2 hours. And let's see, is there anything else? If I click on here, it really doesn't give me any more information. So you can see that it gives the high and the low, and it gives wind speed. So tomorrow, it's saying at 1 a.m., it's 9 miles an hour out of the south, and it's going to be 55 degrees at 1 a.m. All right. I don't know if that's enough weather for you, but that's what you get. Let's look at the device real quick. Okay, I just want to show you real quick. The way you get to weather is by these up and down arrows. So if I down arrow in this case, I can get down to weather right there. When I select weather, you can see it's 60 degrees at my location, 76 for a high, 46 for a low, 0% chance of rain or precipitation. And then it says the winds 3 miles an hour out of the southwest. It shows some gusting, but it's not. It's very calm here right now. If I click on these 3 buttons at the top of the OK button, what happens? It says update and change location. Now I have done this in the past, and I'll have that video in the description below, but if I want to update, I can select it here, and you can see the basic and extended. I can also go down to marine basic and marine extended, but here you got to be careful. If you're going to pick marine, you better put yourself out in a body of water, and it's hard to do on this device. So what I've done is I've gone out and, for an example, gone out to the Gulf of Mexico, and it has to be a large body of water. It can't be a small lake. I've gone out there, I put a waypoint out there, and then I was able to select it. But you have to select something in a large body of water. I'm not going to update this right now. I just wanted you to see it. But here, when I hit the down arrow, it's letting me see different things. It's letting me see Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and it goes all the way up to Saturday. It should. And if I go back up to today, let's click on today, and it then gives me every 2 hours. So I can arrow down and look at what it's going to be like today at 3 p.m. and it's going to be 76 degrees, sunny with 0% chance of precipitation. Can I get any more information? And I can. See, I hit the OK button and it says Saturday 3 p.m. clear, 76 degrees, wind at southeast, out of the southeast at 5 miles per hour. If I hit OK again, do I get any more information? No, I do not. Now when I click down arrow again, it said precipitation and precipitation type. All right, so you can see it gives you a decent amount of information. It's not perfect, but it gives you quite a bit. Like anything, get out here and test your device to make sure you understand it before you get out on your adventure.